Okay, this is with the stock headlights here. We're gonna put LEDs on her. That's dim. So we'll see how this works. So that's the standard one, and that's the new LED one. That's on dim. That's on dim. Candles. Let's see what it looks like when we get them on bright. Okay. Notice the difference? I do. Alright, let's get them all together and we'll try it tonight. Well, there we go. I think the lights may need to be adjusted a little bit, but that's dim. That is pretty darn good. Now that's bright right there. I would say that's, hopefully it'll be nice. Oh, it looks, yeah, I can't see now. It must be good. Whew, yep, I think we're good. Mint.